Thanks for buying this 19045 7-slot locker from Fixture Displays. These are detailed dimensions. Also come with a nice card slot and 4-digit combination lock. The lock can also be purchased separately. The part number is 15615. This unit has a faceplate, make a beautiful, perfect wall mount recessed unit. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. So you have one unit toward the bottom is double the size, the other 6 are identical. Again, detailed dimensions are provided. There's a card slot. We also supply and sell the cards. That's the listing is on the product description details. Mounting on walls, ideally you'll find studs and fasten these to studs for best performance. These are the holes would attach the unit to your wall frames. Now each combination can be reset. The default code is 0000. And as you turn the knob to green, and that would open it. By switching this little lever, the up position would allow you to change the code. For example, right now we change that to 1111. We're going to switch the knob back to a lower position. Now your code has been changed. If you try to enter any other code that is not 1111, you won't be able to open. In addition to this particular lock, I also recommend lock 18619, which offers more features. Make sure you scramble the code after use. In case the users forgot their combination and come to the administrator or the teacher or manager, this key would allow you to open all of them. Also doubles as a key finder. To find your key, you try to press down in the back, and then you turn the dial until to a point you suddenly feel you can press that down in the back pretty easily, and that is the indication you have found the right code. Likewise, you repeat on all 4 digits until you find the spot where you can really press it down in the back. Now we have found 1111 and it opens. The other lock, 18619, offers public and private modes in that it serves multiple purposes. This particular unit, the keyless entry, is more meant for a private use scenario where you would assign the locker to someone for a good amount of time. Of course, as an administrator, you can change the code anytime and terminate someone's access as you see fit. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We also make to order. Feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.